The KTE 7000HS electrolytic hydrogen fuel cell testing device is a training equipment that sends the hydrogen generated through electrolysis to the fuel cell to test the DC voltage produced by the chemical reaction. Here, the produced DC voltage is used to enable the electrical characteristic test on the voltage and current values according to the number of DC lamps. The electrolytic hydrogen fuel cell testing device is composed of two parts: hydrogen generation part and monitoring control panel. First, the hydrogen generation part is composed of the water tank, electrolytic cell, gas water separator, dryer, hydrogen control value, hydrogen fuel cell, LED load part, and converter. The water tank is a component for storing the water to generate hydrogen, and deionized or redistilled water is fully filled into the water tank to play the role of sending the water to the electrolytic cell on operation. Also, it is used as the storage to recycle the water discharge from the gas water separator. The electrolytic cell is a component for enabling electrolysis on the water sent from the water tank, and the electrolytic cell maintains 4 volts of voltage on the electrolysis, and the dissolved oxygen is discharged into the water tank. The gas water separator separates hydrogen and water from the electrolytic cell to remove the oxygen, and when the fixed amount of condensate water is accumulated inside the gas water separator, the float is increased to be discharged from the outlet on the bottom of the gas water separator to the water tank for recycling. After discharge, the float immediately returns to the original position, and the water level of the gas water separator maintains a constant state. The dryer absorbs the moisture in the gaseous hydrogen to perform the role of separating high-purity hydrogen, and the drying procedure is classified into 2 stages. 2 cartridges for drying using blue silica gel is first drying. 1 cartridge for drying using skin color molecule sieves, second drying. The hydrogen control valve controls the output flow of the hydrogen, and the hydrogen fuel cell is supplied with the hydrogen to convert the chemical energy into the electric energy for producing power. In the LED load part, the state of produced voltage can be verified. Lastly, the converter is a power supply device that maintains 4 volts of voltage for the electrolysis of the electrolytic cell. The monitoring control panel lights up the AC lamp when the main power is applied, and then each indicator panel is powered on. In the electrolytic cell and the flow data part, the DC voltage and output flow rate of each electrolytic cell can be confirmed. And also, in the full cell load data part, voltage and current data according to the load can be confirmed by controlling the number of DC lamps. The overall components of the 7000HS include the user's guidebook and the user's training program.